Hello, and welcome to Blender 3D Basics. Today, we are going to be looking at the rip command, which I use in my modeling to get rid of polygons, better known as triangles. Um, so let's see. So the first thing we want to do here is select a vertex. And we're going to look at this command from two ways. You can use this command on each individual vertex, or you can use it on the entire edge. You could select two edges and run the rip command, which we'll do later. I want to do the vertices first. And this will actually pull the entire triangle out for us when we do it. If I was to select the full face, we would get an error message. Rip does not work on a face. So if you're new to Blender and you're here in face mode and you try to use the rip command, you are going to get an error message that looks something like this. Report error. No, we're not going to report that. Cannot rip selected faces. So all that being said, let's get out of this and we will go to our vertex mode and select our vertex. We will hit V, and now from here I don't have to click a single thing or hit anything else on the keyboard. I hit V, all I have to do is move the mouse, and you can see we now have a hole in our mesh. One of the few times you'll actually be happy to have a hole in your mesh is when you're using the rip command, because that means it worked right. We'll hit V again on this one, and again we've got a gigantic hole. Let's see, and we're going to have to hit it one more time to separate, because I actually want to separate this side from this. I'm okay with this side being together because we don't need it to fully separate it. We just want it separate. We want it to be separated on the same side. That will get rid of our triangle for us. So let's get this straightened out. There we go. Now, again, I don't know. I may have wanted to separate it on both sides here. I don't get how I'm going to work this out just yet. Let's see what happens if we pull this out. We can use our rip command again. And now we're getting into, so that time I hit the right key and it just pops back, but we're still good. We're still ripped apart. We're going to do Control Z there. And let's see, let's do this. Let's go here and here. W, subdivide. We'll go to the other side as well. There and there. W, subdivide. And I bet you we could now connect this to this. Alt M. Last. Okay, Alt M. Last. And there we go. We are out of danger. We pull this up, and we have successfully rid ourselves of the dreaded triangle. Now, if we wanted to, and this isn't even. I'm not the goal of the video. The goal of the video is just to learn the rip command, but I'm going to pull these back together by centering my cursor, and I did that by hitting Shift S and selecting cursor to selected, and that puts it in the center. And now I'm going to square out my mesh, and when I hit just the S and drag it in, see everything is coming together nicely. So, and then from there we can do, just about whatever we want. There's a lot more we can do here, but that's that. So that's it for the vertices. Now we could do the same thing. Control Z. I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning here. Almost there. Okay, so here we are at the beginning. And like I said, we can do select the entire edge. Hit V for rip. And we have pulled it apart here. But we only wanted to get that one triangle out, so we could do this. And then this. And we are now triangle free. And then you could rejoin things or take things apart, as you like. Do it again. Oh, we got an error. We don't have the edge there. Okay, let's do this. There we go. We just about have this whole thing dissected. Just keep hitting, selecting edges and hitting V. There we go. And not that we would ever want to completely do this, but there it is. So that is how you use the rip command. And I'm going to put it all back together. There we go. And again, like I said in the beginning, you cannot select the face. We'll go into face mode this time. Select it. Cannot do it. Okay. One last thing. I'll show you down here. Again, V does work on quads, but like I said, I mostly use it to get rid of triangles. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember to like and subscribe. And we will be back with more. And I can't wait I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again real soon. So long.